Hi, have you been doing football betting and have been losing most of the times? Well, today I've got something better for you. Introducing Sport. Sport is the world's first football investment financial management founded in July 2016. The company pioneered an investment platform integrating investment and financial management by analyzing football scores. Sport has an investment product called Football Hedge Fund. If you do not know what a hedge fund is, it is simply a type of actively managed fund that focuses on high risk in high return investment. So if you are looking for a way to make money fast, then this is for you. So how does this platform work? Well, this platform is not a lottery or a gambling platform. It is an investment platform and it's based on the Contrarian investment strategy. The Contrarian investing is an investment strategy that involves backing against existing markets trends to generate profits. So here's an example. So in a football game, there are almost 18 possible scores options ranging from 0 to 0 to 3 to 3. So if we pick one of these possible scores, let's say I pick 3 to 3, as long as the game's final score is not 3-3, I will make a profit and I have a 94% chance of making a profit. So this is what they call as football hedge fund, and it seems to be better and easier than the regular football betting where you have to predict correctly which team will win or which team will lose. But when it comes to football hedge fund, all you have to do is predict something. As long as it's not the outcome, then you win. So in short, it's like getting paid to predict a wrong outcome, which should be easier, and it comes with a 94% chance. Okay, I know this sounds to be too good to be true, but it is what it is true. So the money you can make depends on how much capital you have. So I'll include a link where you can see how much you can earn if you have to deposit a certain amount and so on. So now let's go to how do you get started, or how do you create an account and do everything. So to get started, all you have to do is simply click the link in the description and it's going to redirect you to this page. From here, all you have to do is simply click on this big button on the middle, and since this is your first time, all you have to do is to simply click on the register button over here. So from here you'll be requested to enter in a username. A username of course does not need to have space. From there you have to enter in your email address. When you enter email address, simply click on this button, the send OTP. After clicking on it, simply check your email for the PIN and simply paste it here. Once you are done with that, then enter in a password which needs to have between 6 and 12 characters. Then now invitation code, for the invitation code is in the description. Then now the last three is the verification code. The verification code, simply write in what you are saying. Okay, as for you it's going to be a different number, simply write whatever you're going to say. From there now finally simply click on the register and you'll be registered. So as for me, I already have an account, so I am not going to create another one. I'm simply going to click on login to log into my account. Okay, so I've now logged into my account. So the first step you have to do is simply click on the same button again, okay, and click on the event list. So on this page you're going to see events, so simply choose any of these. Okay, so as you can see, when you click on an event, you'll be given all the possible outcomes, and you also be given like the percent profit you get. So all you have to do is simply choose any of these of which is not likely to happen. So remember, this is a football hedge fund, so the outcome you choose does not really have to happen for you to win. Okay, so for example, if I'm trying to choose the first one, so when I choose the first one, okay, I'm going to be able to see like the profit. So the dealing amount, simply have to enter in a dealing amount I would like. So let me try adding a 50. Let's see what happens. So when you're done with that, simply click on confirm. Okay, so I've entered in a $50 dealing amount and my estimate profit is $2.53, and this is my transaction number. Okay, so now all I have to do is simply wait for this event, like wait for the outcome if I'll get to get a profit or not. So the other things you can do, of course, simply click on functions such as the match results. So after some time, if I'd like to know if I've won or not, I simply have to click on the match results. Yeah, so from this page you'll be able to see the results of the matches. The other thing you can do is you can click on current transaction to see the current transaction. So as you can see, it's still there. From here, the other thing you can do is the agent center. So what is this center? So this is where you can get your referral code. If you've got people who are interested in this platform, you can actually get paid by referring this platform to them. So all you have to do is simply click on agent application to begin your application, and you'll be given your referral code you have to share to people. From here, you can click on activity to see what's happening. So currently there's nothing. Okay, you can as well can click on the rig info. Okay, the other thing you can do is you can click on personal center. This is where you can get to modify some of the information, like changing your password, your fund's password, date of birth, phone number, email address, and so on. Yeah, then you can also have, if you want to, you can download their app. So for now, let's talk about how do you deposit or how do you withdraw. So for that, simply click on the personal center. Then simply scroll down and you're going to see the button saying deposit. So to deposit, simply click on the deposit button, but it's after that okay, then from there on you have to choose USDT deposit. So this is Tether. When you click on it, okay, so Tether has got two variants or two types. The other one is called the ERC20 token. The other one is the TRC20. So depending on what wallet you are using, you'll be able to know which one it is. If you're not sure about which type of Tether you have, simply do a quick Google search or contact your wallet company and so on. They'll be able to advise you better. So for now, for me, it's a USDT, which is the ERC20 token. So all I have to do is simply click on the here. So as you can see, I've not added in wallet address, so now I'll be requested to add in my wallet for Tether. So all I have to do is simply click on the OK button. From here I have to scroll down and click on the wallet management. Okay, then you have to choose what type of Tether wallet you have, if it's ERC20 or TRC20. So I'm going to give it a name as Keith's wallet. Then simply paste in the Tether wallet, so that's to have some random letters and numbers and so on. So this is just for demonstration. This is not my wallet address. When you are done with that, simply click on add wallet address and it will be saved. So whenever you deposit Tether from your address, Okay, the system will be able to know that this is your from your account. So from now on, how do you withdraw? So it's the same procedure. Simply go to personal center and click on withdraw, then choose USDT withdraw. From here you simply click again on the address. So to withdraw, you need to withdraw from the address you simply added at first. So as for me, I did not add an address. No wonder it's asking me to add a bound address. Then from there on, you have to enter in the amount you'd like to withdraw, then simply click on confirm and you get to receive your USDT. So if you don't know what USDT is, USDT is simply a stable coin, meaning that its value will always be equal or near to $1. So one Tether should be equal to $1. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something, give it a like. For more videos like this, subscribe. If you've got a question, feel free to comment. Bye for now.